I am predicting that has become rainy season since it's end of May. So I think it's about time. Okay, let's see what happens and see if there's another rainfall happening soon. Check this out. It's so windy. Oh my goodness. If you can see, there's this. There we go. Do you see that? Is that visible? Yes, I see it. It's a lizard. It's a gecko, I guess. Gecko. Yes, it's a gecko. There are a gazillion geckos around here in Ho Chi Minh City. I think in Vietnam in general. Oh, is it gone? Oh, it's gone. It just disappeared. I think it's very sensitive to human interaction or something. Here's an update of what I've been doing recently. It's been just a very short, it just started this week, but I thought it was worth updating you guys. I'm learning Vietnamese. She speaks Korean, English, she's Vietnamese. And of course, the trilingual. And she has perfect pronunciation. I definitely need somebody who can help me, at least to make a conversation with somebody when I'm buying vegetables. So I would want to use this at the vegetable cart where I usually go, like last time, like supermarkets, when I'm buying stuff, negotiations. And the next one that I'm doing is I'm teaching English to fellow students who are about grade 6, grade 5. If we want to teach somebody about English, you have to make your own structure, make your own know-how, basically strategy to share with the students. Wake up, Samsung. Wake up. Oh, I think my laptop's dead. I think it's not. Holy cow. No, come on. I love this laptop, and not only because it's light and everything, it has all my precious stickers from the Crypto Soul days. See? My wonderful friends. Cosmos, Ground X, another Cosmos, Xerox, Calibra, Lunament, Crypto Soul, Quant Stamp, Nonce, Crypto Kitties, Block Camp, Gold Packs, and so forth. And there's some here too. ETHCon, BTS. And then there's some in the back too. I don't really get to expose this part, but I had no choice. I wanted to put these stickers, but I just didn't have any space in the front. So Blockstack, 테라스를 세공사들, which is a sunglass maker, still wearing them. 찍어가고, oh, I have a sticker here. It's actually not a blockchain related sticker, but it's an education startup in Korea. Oh wait, this is a new screen that I continue, exit and continue. Please help me, save me. No, come on dude, wake up. Save me.